Hi, I'm Elaine Cornick, and I'm initiating a gratitude project for our Unity spiritual community, and I invite you to join me in this. I'm doing this because we know that gratitude is a generative energy. And I've had a recent experience with a meditation group I'm a member of, where we were doing this gratitude project, writing letters, and as a group, and it just built. It was a powerful, palpable energy, being part of something larger than ourselves. My intention is to expand the power of our energy field to nurture and nourish each of us and our community. So the gratitudes are to be about the blessings and the benefits that you receive by being part of this community or the larger unity movement or spiritual metaphysical principles and practices or from your spiritual path. It's an invitation to share why you show up here and what you receive from being in this community. It's different than the gratitudes that we sometimes hear on Sunday morning in service, like, I'm grateful that my best friend is visiting here this week, or I'm grateful that my team won the game. It's an opportunity to expand your experience of the powerful synergy and the synchronicities and the miracles that happen when two or more are gathered together. So how we're going to do this, to start with, there will be two venues, a physical bulletin board on an easel in the sanctuary, and also a special page online on our website. And you're encouraged to post short letters or notes or artwork or poetry or music, whatever forms feel like they express your gratitude. I'll be curating and posting submissions for you on the online site so you can email those to me. You can post your own on the bulletin board if you want to, or you can email them to me and I'll print them and post them for you. And as you have other gratitudes occurring to you, which they will, you're welcome to post more. So just contact me with any questions or comments. I'm grateful for the chance to generate more flow with all of us. Thanks.